To input SIM cards into your Nothing Phone 4a, all you have to do is just to grab your phone and rotate. The SIM slot is available just over here at the bottom, and we have to align this like so. Now, when this SIM ejection tool is inside, you have to gently press, and now remove this tool, grab your slot, and now that's quite easy part. We can find two slots for both SIM cards, so we have to input it with this cutout over here and press on it. So now, when you properly install it, as you can see, the SIM card doesn't actually goes above the slot. So this is the proper way to input it. And of course, for the second one, we have to just do the same thing. So put it here. When it looks like this, just press, and as you can see, it is finished. So we can just put it back like so, with this dot on the left side to align it, push it. Now this is how we can properly put it. And when you turn on your phone, you have to input PIN into your SIM card.